In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the button color in the Shopify Dawn theme. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start from your Shopify homepage. On the left-hand menu, click Online Store. This is where you manage your store's appearance and theme settings. Next, click the Customize button. This opens the theme editor where you can make changes to your store's design. Now, locate the gear icon at the top, which opens your theme settings. Scroll down and click Colors. Here you can manage all the color schemes for your theme. To add a new color scheme, click Add Scheme. This lets you experiment with different color palettes that fit your brand. Once your new scheme is added, scroll to the Buttons section. Here's where you select the new color for your buttons. Pick a color that aligns with your branding and stands out to encourage clicks. After choosing your colors, preview your changes across your store to make sure everything looks cohesive. Finally, click Save to apply your new button colors to your live site. And that's it. You've successfully customized the button colors in your Shopify Dawn theme, giving your store a fresh and engaging look.